Madam has completed. You will have to
Please.
finish now.
Please.
Husband and Takshana, your voice should not go down.
It has gone down, my lord, many
Adike,
times.
that's why you raise your voice.
That many times it so happens, my lord, the very fact husband always is in the dock because series of criminal cases. Here the voice is completely gone because dozens of criminal cases, one after the other, one after the other. And is a clear case where, my lord, how criminal process can be misused and series of cases can be filed. My lord, after the admitted case, as per the complainant herself, after the marriage for some time up to 2011 or so, they were residing together happily. She was employed abroad and citizen of US and employed in Citibank there, etc. And after this 2011, a DV Act was filed initially, and regarding the custody of the child, where the child told the court, my lords, that child wanted to be with the father, and she could not secure any orders. There afterwards, series of criminal cases start being filed, and one such case is this, and this is in fact the same set of facts, second FIR. In the same set of facts, this is the second FIR. Now, kindly see, my lord, as for
The
this
first one. Which is the first one?
crime number 131 is the first one, which is mentioned in her own complaint, my lords. I beg to take the honorable.
What happened to that?
That is under investigation. They have once be reported. They again sought for further investigation, which is going on. That's what the submission yesterday. It's continuing. FIR completely investigated. And so they said CAD investigation is going on. That's what they submitted. And my lords, kindly see, as far as the FIR pertaining to that crime number 131 is concerned, in this complaint itself, kindly see the complaint which is filed in this case, page number 121. Sorry, page number 21. Page 21.
I am there only.
Please.
Yes.
I am grateful. Always, my lords, before we submit your lords, will be able to pursue.
Yes,
21 last para.
Yes,
I
sir.
request yourself to take this complaint as connected complaint to FIR number 131 of 2023. Provide me separate FIR number. This is what she stated. And they, in fact, the police took it as a separate, as initially, they took it as in connected to the said case and continued the investigation. And subsequently, on account of a consistent persuasion, they were compelled to register one more case on the same set of facts. This is the second case. Crime number 168 of 2014 is the second case. Now, I take the honorable court certain documents to show that this is the same case. One is her own complaint saying that it's the same complaint. And the complaint was she lodged a complaint to the bank stating that the husband has obtained certain loans, and in those loans, my signatures and the checks, etc., are not my signatures. And bank themselves forwarded that complaint to the police, and police filed a FIR. My first objection to the entire proceeding is that crime number 131 of 2023, whenever there is one complaint, one FIR registered, the very same set of facts. Of course, now she also herself mentions it, all those allegations, and the filing of one more complaint on the same set of one more FIR. A person cannot be put to repeated investigation in respect to the same offense, my lord. In accordance with the law, it has to happen. That admittedly, that is of 2013 of the same police station. This is the second FIR. At the earliest point of certain documents which are already marked in the present case before the some of the documents the complainant filed before the honorable court. I beg to file all the documents which have been the part of the trial court records with permission.
Yesterday,
some documents. Yes.
Documents. What is that? Apart from that, you have something?
How? All the exhibits.
Our copy.
Please, all the documents. Now, as far as this complaint first is concerned, which is now the whether it is the first complaint or the second complaint, what was the position of the police at the earliest point of time, and what are the allegations made therein? I beg to take the honorable court to the page 98.
Yes.
To the complainant. Complaint dated 16/7/2014 has been received with the facts mentioned in the second page, that is so and so. against suspected accused persons, 1, 2, and staff of so and so, and the concerned bank manager, official staff of so and so branch, Bangalore, on 16/7/2014 at that police station. Your complaint will be verified and investigated in the course of investigation of Mangalore East crime number 131,
Yes.
page 98. And as far as that complaint that is also produced, that complaint is produced before the learned magistrate during the course of the inquiry, the very same complaint which is the part of the first FIR. Please. And that is part of the petition filed by me. In the petition itself, it is there. The complaint filed at the earliest point of time. That's page number. FIR is page 12 of the along with the petition. And kindly see page 16. It says page 16 doesn't contain any allegation. It says, as directed by you, I am lodging the complaint. Page 16. Only just page 17. In page 17, she mentions about page 18, it continues. Para 1, I already lodged the complaint, etc. Para 2, I say that my complaint dated 10/9/2012 with the Central Bureau of Investigation under Syndicate Bank so and so. It's filed under crime number 131/2023 on the file of Mangalore East Police Station, suppressing all major allegations. Then she says, I have furnished all the relevant documents. Para 3. Now, page number 19, line number 3, file separate FIR. Page 20, the one which I read out just now, that was the earliest document where also says give the separate file number. In all these complaints, kindly be pleased to see whether there are any other allegations apart from the complaint in the first. That is the question.
According to you, it is a repetition.
Exactly. In both cases, it is a repetition. And for that purpose, the complaint in that case, I beg to draw the kind attention of the Honorable Court. The complaint in the first case.
First case, what is the crime number?
131, please.
For offenses?
Please, my
Offenses what?
131. May I pass on with kind? Same. 406, 420, 465.
And this crime?
This crime is 406, 420, 465.
This is crime number?
168 of 2014. Same police station. First is registered on 18/9/2013. And
this is 168 of 2014.
14. That's my first she lodged the complaint and bank officials forwarded that complaint, very complaint. Based on that, one FIR is registered. And then she says, my lord, one more complaint be registered.
Who is the complainant in both these cases?
First complaint is the bank manager based on her complaint.
It is not her complaint.
No, not her.
Second complaint is by her.
But kindly see this complaint.
That's all right. Second complaint is different.
Based on her complaint.
Based on her complaint, but she is not the complainant.
She is not the first informant in the FIR. But she is the person who set the law in motion based on her.
Sir, I am only asking one
please.
question. Whether she is the complainant in the first case, 131 of 2013 or not.
She is not the complainant to the police.
That's all.
Now kindly see that.
Next, 168 of 2014, who is the complainant?
She is the complainant. Please.
So it is now admitted that two complaints are registered by two different complainants.
Two different
foundation may be the same, it's a different thing.
Please.
But it is by two different complainants.
Please. And the gist and allegations are same for that
maybe,
purpose,
yes.
just to know that.
So there, the bank manager complains that you have played fraud with the bank. Here the wife complains that the husband has played fraud with her.
Please, one distinguishing feature is in the first complaint, may I pray the Honorable Court to peruse that copy which I forwarded just now,
Which
the
one? Idu.
FIR copy.
Yes, sir.
Adrolage, in the complaint copy, that's the third
ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಸಾರಾಂಶವೇನೆಂದರೆ
ಅದು
ಹಿರಿಯದಾರ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು
ಇಸ್ವಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ಗಂಡ ಶೈಲೇಶ್
ಹೌದು
ಇತರರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಶಾ ಅವರ ಸಹಿಯನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ
25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
25 ಲಕ್ಷ
ಇದು
draw ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅವಧಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ 2005ರಿಂದ 7ನೇ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
ಆಯ್ತು
ಅದು ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಟಾ
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಟಾ
ಅದರೊಳಗಿದೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ರಾಮನಾಯಕ್ ಸ್ವಯಂಸು ಚೀಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ that our bank is a nationalized bank having many branches all over India, so and so. Para 2, that one Nisha, that para I wanted to pray, my lords. Para 2, that one Nisha S. Kumar so and so is operating account number dash dash etc. And in the name of so and so, the husband of Nisha S. so and so. Now Nisha S. Kumar has complained, para 4. The very same complaint was forwarded to the vigilance etc. She lodged the complaint. Para 4 says it has been lodged to vigilance unit, and from the vigilance unit the complaint has come, and along with the
I've seen that. The
Please.
branch manager registers the complaint
please.
to be on the safer side, to save the bank's skin. She is the victim here, she has registered the complaint. Where is it hit by doctrine of sameness?
Oh, sameness. Allegation same. Now, once the allegation same, FIR is registered, investigation is undergone, in respect of same subject matter.
Will answer. Yes.
In same subject matter.
Will
And
answer.
kindly see, this is the consistent view of this Honorable Court and the Supreme Court, and that the sameness is
You're relying on-
allegations are.
T.T. Anthony, give it.
Please, TT Anthony, TT Anthony, please. My lord, please. TT Anthony. Please. Kindly see, my lord. Informant maybe there are number of persons, but the question is sameness, as my lord put it, my lord. The question is whether allegations is same in both.
Yes.
If the allegation is same, there cannot be multiple complaints in the same subject matter.
All right.
It need not be the same person, my lords, but here is a case where
No
the estranged wife wants repeated complaints being filed, repeated affairs against the husband.
No, we'll not bother about DVA Act 498A, etc.,
But
whatever
I
is
humbly-
between you.
I humbly pray.
Now, what is before me is 406, 420. One by the branch manager, one by the respondent.
Please, my lords. But also, my lords, you lords may kindly take judicial notice of this fact, my lords, that why the complaint is being filed repeatedly against the husband, one of the other. And can I be put just because I am the husband, my lord, repeated complaints on the same subject matter? It's because I am the husband, because she is estranged, and thereafter she goes on filing one of the affairs. She knows one affair is registered. It's not as if she did not know.
No, she does not suppress that also.
It mentioned and said,
Her
therefore,
complaint
there is
mentions
one
that.
more affair. Like one more affair. And my lords, as far as the sameness principle is concerned, my lord, can there be, my lord, one more person or one more witness, one more, even the maybe the victim? Can he file a complaint? My submission is he cannot file one more complaint.
Yes, sir.
I will not read it because my lords have decided multiple times.
The crux of this judgment lies in
Please,
last 4 lines of paragraph 21.
please.
Last 4 lines, beginning from 1973 court specifically, Alinda.
Further investigation after forward.
Cognizance of the same. The entire soul of the judgment in this is in
Please.
these 4 lines.
How it follows that if the gravamen and charges in the two affairs, first and second, is in truth and substance the same.
Yes.
So, please, man, grateful. Gravamen of the charges. Gravamen of the charges in both the cases, one and the same. Of course, it's at her instant the bank files it,
Whatever.
and she herself no
The
files.
gravamen of the charges are one and the same would include everything to be the same, because it says in truth and substance should be the same.
Truth and substance is same.
Yes.
No, in truth and substance is same. It's her first complaint.
Will answer.
Based on that complaint, this
T.T.
complaint
Anthony
is,
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಓದೋದ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು.
please,
Yes.
gravamen is the same in both the cases.
Yes.
And based on that, one more complaint is now being filed, and other complaint is pending.
Next point.
And
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಯ್ತು, ಸೇಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
other points, as my lord has now
giving
just said, my lords. Now the other point is this. At what point the complaint is also filed? Kindly see. First, I beg to produce all the documents which she has produced.
ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದವರು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. One is the power of attorney she executes in favor of husband, page number 13 today, which is produced.
13.
Page number 13.
Yes, sir.
The power of attorney, and this is of the date 2007. Now she disputes everything. 2007.
Hmm.
Next page, page 15, the creation of the some charge on the properties. Now kindly go to page 25. That's marked exhibit 616. As far as signatures are concerned, page
25.
25.
Yes.
This is the opening form, account opening form
Of the respondent.
of the complainant
Complainant.
in her name with the photographs.
All right.
And this at page 26 signature, and then the specific signature 27. There is lot of difference how the police conclude that there is difference in our own signatures. Then the dispute starts. When the dispute starts, she issues a letter initially to the bank cancelling the power of attorney to husband and bank, page 39, where the power of attorney is admitted, page 39, 10/10/2011,
Yes.
where she admits the power of attorney and she tells the husband cancellation of the power of attorney. I have executed 2 general power of attorney. This is marked before the trial magistrate by her. I have executed the power of attorney in favor of you and so, nominating you. I am now cancelling it. 10/10/2011. Now the dispute starts. Next page, one more power of attorney given to accused number 2.
Who is accused number 2?
He is stated to be the manager of the firm of which husband is the owner. That is the allegation.
All right.
For cancel, I have executed a power of attorney in your favor. I am now cancelling it. Now, she issues information after this, 2014, page number 44, seeks the information from the bank. Hence, 2014, under the RT Act. And some documents are furnished under the RT Act. In the meanwhile, just before that, page 45, bank issues notice to both of them, 2011, under the provisions of the Securitization Act. And now, stating that you have borrowed the loan, etc., there is no proper repayment in time. Then she obtains all the documents later when the dispute starts, and thereafter she files the complaint. All these factors are noted in the final report filed by the police. In the other case, initially there was a final report filed.
Page.
Please, my lords.
B report.
Howdo. That, my lords, filed along with the petition, is not along with the criminal petition filed by us. Howdo. Page 27.
All right. What happened to the B report? B report is rejected.
B
Cognizance is
report
taken.
was once accepted, then she sought for reinvestigation. Now reinvestigation she has sought. And that's she says reinvestigation is going.
That reinvestigation is stayed here.
Illa.
Sorry.
That's
Nadita idea?
Nadita ide.
Okay.
My lords may kindly see, in this final report being filed, I take the honorable court only to relevant portions of the final report, page 32. And when, at what point of time the allegation is made, your lords may kindly see, page 32. At the bottom, idallade, nano, allegation is check sign ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, etc. Checks signatures are not proper. And page 32, account numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, she mentions that the 7 loan accounts are mentioned. And in the loan accounts, husband has put me as security. Allegation is this. And I have not signed as the guarantor. Therefore, take action. And kindly see page 32, first loan of 2006. Page 32, please. However, that's why I'm submitting is a case where a false complaint has been filed for this reason. Page 32 at the bottom. First loan, 1-3-2006. Second loan, 5-5-2006. 17/7/2007. Next is 4th 2007, 5th also of the same year, 6th also of the same year. Then 7th says the loan papers contain stamp papers. This I have produced along with the petition. I'm sorry.
I am on the petition only.
32 and 33.
Yes.
32 at the bottom. Up 6 are loan accounts of 2007. Now, police investigate into this. Anticipatory bail is obtained, and in page 34, your lordship may kindly see the very same allegations. Of course, I am trying to point out to the honorable court both allegations about these accounts only in the both complaints.
No,
Page
complaints are different. One is the victim, one is
That's all the
who wants to save the skin. That's all.
that's
Bank always registers the ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ safer side ಅಲ್ಲಿ register
that
ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು?
may not be true. The complaint is lodged. Now, police have to investigate. Now, kindly see whether that has been investigated or not is one aspect. Page 34. First para,
Yes.
first para, date of marriage 1998. And then the last, first para, sixth line. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ವಿಲಾಸಿ ಜೀವನ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು 2006ರಿಂದ 9ರವರೆಗೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟರ್ನಿ, ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ 2011
Is that denied? The execution of power of attorney is denied by the respondent?
Now everything is denied. Now everything is denied and said everything is fake. Everything is fake. Everything is fake. Check signature is fake is a specific allegation.
The bank itself says it differs.
As far as the difference is concerned, that is the reason is mentioned in this report. That's why
Then the bank would not have registered crime at all.
Why not? Bank has registered the criminal
That
case
is
and
why the bank
investigated.
has registered only to be on the safer side.
No,
Because their endorsement itself is check the signature differs.
I do consider that aspect.
Behind the check, you
I'm
see,
only,
it is said the signature differs.
please.
Then she
for
makes
that-
a hue and cry about that. So bank registers why to be on the safer side. Then the victim herself has registered the crime.
What time is registered is only the question, my lords. Now, at the time when she registers, loan accounts are already cleared. This aspect your lords may kindly appreciate. All the loan accounts were
It
clear.
is admitted that you had raised loan on the.
No, only I have,
What did you clear?
my lords, I have obtained loan on my properties which where her property and herself is a guarantor. This is when
All right,
the marriage.
guarantor and
No,
the
my lord,
borrower
as per
on the same
signature,
footing.
I appreciate the FSL report will flash that there is something different. That the police have given a reason for that in the final report.
What
Police
will
have,
police give overwriting the FSL?
no. Police have stated she has the habit of.
There is variation in writing.
Variation
Police
in
will say,
writing.
"ಏ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ."
No,
ಈ
no,
report
police have
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
said-
ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು.
Has the
Yes.
habit of
According to us, it does
Different
not look different.
different signatures. What the
B
police have
report
said.
says that.
But
B report says it overrides the opinion of the FSL.
my lord, so anyhow, my submission is this: there is a B final report filed in one criminal case, and they say after the closure, your lords may kindly appreciate after the closure of the loan accounts, when the dispute starts, this is the reason. Kindly see the attendant circumstances, how the complaint
It
is
is
filed.
like saying the thief has returned the stolen property, so 395 ಬರೋದಾಯ್ತು.
Usually, that may be the contention there, but here, my lords, husband cannot be a thief at all as far as wife is
That's an
concerned.
analogy.
That's
Not pointing
But
at the
he-
husband.
my lords, once the relationship is strained, if such complaints are allowed of this nature, when the entire B report, my lords, on the same set of facts, police have invested page number 34,
No,
35.
B report is rejected and cognizance is taken on 2/11/23. That is why you are before
No,
the
no,
court.
no, not about this. This
What
is a
is
B report filed in other case, my lords.
No, come to the, what is the impugned order, sir?
No, my lord, in this
What is the
case,
impugned order?
impugned order in this case is B report in this case. Now, B report is filed in crime number 131 also.
It is a different thing.
And there cannot be.
Why have you come before the court, you tell me?
This B report is
2/11/2023
Please,
is the order that is at page 95.
please.
That is what rejects the B report and takes cognizance, issues summons. Correct?
Please, my lords.
Alva?
Oh, that's true, my lords.
Huh.
Now, my lords, I am submitting. There is no investigation ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. And
B report
one
reject
more
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, but
investigation is again, they say there is also further investigation going on.
now you
Please.
concentrate on what you have come before the court for.
Please.
Now you have challenged this B report, rejection of B report and issuing of summons. Whether it is right or wrong, we will answer. Now your ground is there is another crime pending where further investigation is ordered by the concerned court after rejecting the B report. Is that correct?
They have sought for further investigation.
They have sought, is it ordered?
That is order.
Ordered.
Investigation
So
is
further investigation is on in the other crime
order. Other case.
registered by the,
Registered by the bank manager on
Bank
the same,
manager.
that's what, I will not repeat it. I will not take the risk of repeating again on the
Yes.
same allegations. Now, my lord, this is the situation. Of course, my lords, I am also completely handicapped in life now because of
Why?
because of the repeated cases, my lord. Dozens of cases like this, one after the other.
uh,
And my only prayer is for the situation.
handicapped andre?
Handicapped financially,
Next.
handicapped in everything. That's the worst thing, my lords. And this is because of the series of criminal cases being filed. So kindly also consider the plight of the husband also, where my lords repeated false cases are filed. This is the truth what has exactly happened in the
We'll
present
see,
case. And this is, and dozens of cases how it is filed. List is also produced, and they have I will not read it. They have examined the bank managers, examined everybody, and said she has a habit of signing differently, and the loan accounts have also been closed. This complaint is filed subsequently after the
Closure of the loan accounts?
after the closure of the loan accounts. Loan accounts were closed in
No,
2013.
no. If loan accounts are closed, why is the respondent getting a surface notice?
That was 2011.
Oh.
Complaint is filed in
Oh,
2013.
while filing the complaint, everything was closed.
Yes, Sarfasi, it is prompted her to be cautious and file complaints so that I am not responsible, I am not signed, etc. Might be the reason.
Rightly so, because you have cleared the loan.
I have to clear. If I don't clear,
Obviously, you have raised the loan, you have to
I have,
clear the
raised-
loan.
I have cleared, and she was, my lord, execute the power of attorney. She has the signatory to all the documents. And the grievance was, if at all she wants to have a grievance against the bank, the documents are not proper, etc. It should have been before the surface, not
Yes.
in this manner. And the police have rightly closed all these criminal cases, my lords. And now she approaches some police officer of Chikmagalur, which is produced here. And a Chikmagalur police officer says that there should be again investigation, not of the authority belonging to the jurisdictional
No,
police.
Don't
And
worry about that.
gets a letter. My lord,
You are on crime number 168 of 2013
Please.
and not on 131.
please,
131 chapter is over.
the chapter cannot be resurrected
No.
again is my.
Because 131 is not before the court. What is before the court is crime number
Once
168.
131 is there cannot be 168.
No,
is my-
131 there is further investigation.
There
going
cannot
on.
be one more.
That I will answer. There,
One more-
in the teeth of 131, 168 could not have sprung. We will answer that. Yes.
That is my submission to the.
Anything else, madam?
Honorable.
My lordship, I only want to say these are all allegations put to prejudice this honorable court.
What is
They
prejudice?
say that I have filed several complaints against
Don't
them.
get touchy about that. Yes.
Okay, my lord.
That every husband will have to say.
Right, my lordship.
Yes.
Facts are before my lordship
We'll see.
in documentary evidence. So if the
Yes,
case,
Secretary sir. Berea idea? Heard reserved.
Kindly
Nothing else to
consider
say?
all attendant circumstances. That's all my submission.
Attendance, ah?
Attendant
Attendant
circumstances.
Since party in person give off a date
Please.
of pronouncement. We'll pronounce it on 26th, 26th of July.
May I also persuade all court, Achin Gupta's principle, of course.
ಯಾವುದು?
Achin Gupta's principle, attendant
Achin Gupta is not. ಅದು 498.
This is economic offense
In
of
498, we will
Lord.
incorporate Achin Gupta.
498 cannot be filed. This is the situation. But the same
498 is not
matrimonial offences, my lords. This
Achin
matrimonial.
Gupta was only on 498. Misuse,
Praise all court, not to
misused by
confine
the
it,
wives
not
over the
how the court,
husbands and other family
court
members.
may kindly see this between husband and wife, how complaints are being filed. This is one
Other
more.
complaints.
This is a weapon to terrorize the husband and to extort him and put him to sufferance. The reason is something else. That should not be allowed is my
Sir,
respect.
I have also I have directed initiation of malicious prosecution against the wife for registering a crime. Those facts were grave,
Please,
where wife has tortured the husband. I have noted all that.
please.
This not, we'll see, we'll answer. this.
The torture is actually much more.
Ah.
I leave it to the.
ನೀವು ಅದು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ yes you should
Leave
read
it
the
to that.
judgment and tell yes
Please. Please, my lords.
yes
Great.
I'll reserve.
can I collect those documents back? He served the same copy that is served today.
No, I've made notes in that, so
Proper.
it'll be necessary. Yesterday when you were arguing, I've made notes in that. Necessary. You take everything on 26th.
Much obliged,
Yes.
my lordship.
Interim order may be continued till then.
Interim order subsisting
Now,
will
on
continue.
specific time, my lordship, or
No, pronouncement will only be at 2:30, madam. You can come at 2:30. Yes.
much obliged.
No arguments on that day. Only judgment.
Facts
Yes.
are before my lordship. My
No,
lordship has
on
already
that day,
observed
no
all the facts.
arguments, only for judgment, I said, yes.
Can also appear online.
That-
If he wants to.
No, yes.
Much obliged, my lordship.
Great.